the new MyCargobull portal, the Functions. To help you keep an overview and save time for the most important things in your day-to-day business, we have consolidated your contracts, invoices, enquiries, repairs and maintenance in our new MyCargobull portal. Hi, I'm Emily and I'd like to show you the most important functions of our new portal. On mycargobull.com you can see an overview of all services for the pre-selected key figures of your vehicle fleet. Under My Service Contracts you will find details about your contracts, vehicles and services. You can see the contractual details, extend contracts, view tire history and much more. Under My Services you will find details on the organization of repairs and maintenance, key data on the repair orders and other useful information. Upcoming maintenance work is also displayed. You can also have the appointment sent to you by email, so you won't miss a thing. Under My Service Partners you can select the service partner for the respective service by location and technical skill. This function also offers the option of adding or removing competences individually. This means only what is really relevant is displayed. My Requests offers you the opportunity to view details of your request. For example, whether the change to a license plate number has already been completed or whether this request is still open or is currently being processed. As you can see, we've gone to great efforts to make your life easier. Now you can view and manage all the information about your fleet in one place. Simple, fast and intuitive. Sign up today and discover all the benefits of MyCargobull. We look forward to welcoming you on board.